Hello everybody, just got this interesting device. Let's see closely and test this DeepVNA 101. The device came in this bag. Inside the bag you can find the device itself. Cable, USB-C, two SMA to SMA cables, adapters, and screen protector and user manual. This device in metal case. On the right side, the knob you can rotate and press. Stimulus, for example, start frequency. You can rotate and select the frequency. And use this thing to select some functionalities and frequency. I call this one, I think, the same as in the DeepVNA. On the right side you can find the USB-A, 5 volts out. This lamp indicates the working state. Turn on, turn off switch. USB Type-C for charging. On the left side you can find two SMA connectors, SMA ports, and this device has the battery capacity 100 milliamps, 3.7 volts. The frequency band from 10 kHz to 1500 MHz. Let's calibrate this device. Just select some frequencies which you need. For example, you need from 300 to 500. Firstly, you should go to the stimulus, start frequency 300 MHz, and stop frequency 500 MHz. Then go to the calibrate, reset. After that, go to the calibrate. Let's prepare these three things and this one for calibration. First one is open. After that you should select open. Perform open calibration. Please wait. Next one is short. Short. The next one is white, 50 ohms. Load. Perform load calibration. Please wait. Next, ISOLN with 50 ohms. The next one through. Just connect this one to this one, and select through. And done. Save this calibration to this one. After calibration, you can go to the recall menu and select which you need. We just saved 300, 500 megahertz. Let's check, for example, this antenna, but I need to switch to 2 meters band, and let's see how it works. It works good. You can check some parameters for the antenna, but you should hold this antenna far away from metal parts or wires, probably outside, outdoor. I see the device is working good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.